I want to try to redeem my $7 gift card from walktask app. And if you want to see if this actually works, just pay attention and watch this video with me from the beginning to the end. And if you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. Right here I share updates, I talk about different earning opportunity. If you want to get more updates from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to redeem my $7 gift card from walktask. But before I continue, what is walktask? Why do I have $7 gift card on walktask? So a few weeks ago, I made a video reviewing an app on Google Play Store actually called walktask. This app actually promises you to pay you for counting your steps. You know, they count your steps, they gather data, and they actually give you a commission. And the commission is not actually free because on the app you have ads and other things you have to do. I saw this particular app from another creator, and I say, okay, let me try this to see if it works. And I tried it, and I actually told you guys that if I actually made some money from this, I will let you guys know that I made some money from this particular update. So I keep my word. You know, I like keeping my word. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how I actually earn this money and if there is any good earning potential on this app at all. The truth is that there are a lot of other step counters. There are a lot of them. We have Sweatcoin and all other step counters. Now, this might actually work in your location. This might not work in your location. This is working out for me, does not mean it's going to work out for you. Another thing I notice about the app is that you might not earn as much as you want to or as much as you hope to earn on the app, guys. I made this particular video. This video was made 13 days ago about this particular app right here. And first of all, we are going to be going through the app on Google Play Store. And secondly, I'm going to open the app and show you one or two things. Most Nigerians don't have PayPal account, and one of the redemption option is through PayPal. And I don't want to use PayPal because they also have gift cards. They have gift cards and other methods right there. So I want to use other methods, not PayPal. A lot of people have been saying, it's PayPal, and I don't have PayPal, so they got discouraged. All right. So first of all, let's come here and search for walktask. They call it walktask walking step counter. It's just a walking step counter. It's just walktask walking step counter. It's simple, but it's if you actually go deep into the app before you know that they actually reward you for your effort and everything. So this app right here was released on the 21st of August in 2024, and this app already has over 4.1 stars review and 160,000 people review the app with over 1 million downloads. Most apps like this sometimes actually pay people to review their app. It's normal thing. If you see reviews like this, it might not mean that the app is working. It might not mean that the app is good. When you see reviews, don't say, the reviews are good. It means no. Please calm down. After everything, I installed the app and I started using it. I even went out. I actually tried trekking. In fact, since that, they have been using the app till today, and I made some money. So today, let me give you guys some tips about this app. Tip number one: if you want to make money on this particular app right here, or if you think that you want to use this app to earn a significant amount of money, that would be very, very impossible because you cannot make a living from this app. You cannot make a living from it. Number one, you can only use it as a side hustle. Number two, there's no guarantee that you're going to earn money based on your location. And number three, there is no guarantee that you're going to work and you actually earn good money from this particular app. Please, I'm going to explain that. The reason is actually because this app, the minimum withdrawal right here is 3,000 coins. Their payout threshold is small, which is good. But if you just want to start working and collecting coin and doing your thing, I don't think you're going to earn this money very, very as fast as you want to or as fast as possible. Now, the way I made this money was through affiliate. I actually worked and I earned some money from working, but it was not enough. So after I talked about this app on TikTok and on Facebook, I actually got 1 or 2 people to register, which you can still do because the app is completely free. You don't pay to use it. You don't pay to use it. Apart from watching ads, the app is actually completely free. So you can actually share it to your friends. Hey, I'm using this app. It works for me. join me, let's use it together. It's actually possible. And they also have some small tasks like joining Telegram, daily check-in, and some other bonuses. They have some offer wars where we can complete offers, can do a lot of other small tasks right here and actually get some commissions and some rewards. They have PayPal redemption $3 and $5, which is 3,000 points. They have PayPal redemption 6,000 points, which is $10. And they have Amazon gift card. You can see Amazon.com, and they have Starbucks. Starbucks is from US. This is actually US based this thing. You can see Spotify $10 gift card and all this one too. Let's try this Amazon. Amazon is $5 gift card, which is 3,000 points. Let's try this, guys. I clicked on that and they brought me here. So right here they say how to get the gift card after redemption. So let me click on that so that let's read together. One of the best ways to make money online is through owning an online skill. That's one of the best ways to make money online. And one of the best online skills to learn now is called video editing. Generally, you can actually use video editing to earn some cash for yourself. And the fun part is that is smartphone video editing. So if you want to learn how to edit videos with your smartphone, I'm actually going to drop the link for you below. How to get the gift card after redemption. After successful redemption, you will receive gift cards email at the email address you provided. On the redemption page, tap redeem. The third one says select the country gift card you want to redeem. Tap the reveal card details for you to see the card details, and after that tap I'm ready to spend for you to be able to spend, and that's it. All right, so now the thing right here is that I don't want to spend the gift card, I want to convert it to naira. That is the funny part. If I can redeem it successfully, if possible, I'm going to get the card details because there are some platforms that buy gift cards, and I'm going to sell the gift card to them, and I'm going to exchange it from dollar to naira. Let's have fun together. This is entertaining. I'm going to come here and click on ready. I'm going to come here and put in the email address. We will send you the gift card link through the email address. Please check your inbox currently due to the nature of gift cards, once redeemed it cannot be refunded. Please do not share the email or link. So I'm actually going to click on confirm. I'm going to click on confirm and submit, and I'm going to say within 3 days. 3 days I'm actually going to wait, but this is going to be disappointing because I was hoping to put everything in this particular video, which simply means I'm going to need to make another video to show you guys that I actually redeem this gift card or not. And this particular video was to show you that I actually earn the minimum withdrawal. The minimum withdrawal was $5, which is 3,000 points. I had I have $7 in my wallet balance, which was around 4,100 points. That is how you redeem your reward. So do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on that bell notification. Just turn on the bell notification and wait, so that once I received this particular gift card right here, I'm actually going to create another video walking you guys through the process. Let me see if I'll be able to redeem it. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.